Hello everyone, my name's Andy with Texas RV Exchange. If you've got an RV you're looking to sell or you're looking to acquire your next one, I've got a special event that you're not going to want to miss. It's Exchange Days coming up July 25th, 26th, right here on the lot at Texas RV Exchange, part of the Vogt family of dealerships. How it works, if you're an RV owner and you're looking to sell your unit, we're going to invite you out to the lot. Bring your unit, set your price on our lot. We're going to have buyers out here looking to acquire their next unit. So if you're thinking about acquiring your next RV for your next adventure, you can browse our full inventory suite. If you've got an RV you're looking to sell, of course we offer financing options, warranty options, and full service suite package available as well. And if you have any questions, our RV experts are on site to help. And it's not just about RVs. Come out for the Classic Car Show. We're gonna have free food, games, prizes, so there's something for everybody. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Come out to Texas RV Exchange, powered by Vogt RV World for Exchange Days, July 25th and 26th. Come see us.